Hi. Hello YouTube, and welcome back to our vlog. Yo guys, good morning. Today, welcome back to another vlog, another day, another adventure, right brother? See, our cat
Is
with us
here
today.
Yes.
So brother, we heading to buy we heading to buy car jack. Yes, we heading to buy car jack, okay? And then the whole family is here to join our vlog today for you guys, okay? So you guys, today our plan is part 2 to rebuild the Ninja 250R.
Okay.
So it take us a while to fix it because
We need to buy some
part and it's freaking hard to get it here. Oh my gosh. So guys, you need to stay tuned for today's vlog, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, okay?
So today I feel I'm powerful because I drink coffee. As you can see now, my hand shaking. Okay, let's go and get our part. So guys, for your information, this is one of the rarest cat in Malaysia because the hair is only thick at the middle of the backbone. Okay, and then both side the fur is thin. Okay, this is a mohawk cat. Okay, we call mohawk cat. Wow, it's very rare in Malaysia. Okay, it costs around, I don't know, because I never seen like this before. So this is not a sick cat. Okay. This is a healthy cat. Okay, for your information lah. Okay, this is not a joke. This is a healthy cat with its own style. Okay, a mohawk style, as you can see now. Wow, very thin at the right and left side, and then the middle. Wow, mohawk style. Okay. As you can see now, the shape. Okay, this cat is not too fat. Okay, it's long. Okay, it's thin and long. Okay, this is we call a hunter actually. Oh, not a hunter, Thomas. Hunter Thomas. This cat always brings something new to our house every day. Wow. Let's go, brother. We've late now. We talk too much.
Approximately 10 hours later.